Hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're going to Playa Buena. Now, where's Playa Buena? Well, it's between the towns, the beaches of Playa Hermosa and Playa Panama in Guanacaste. So that will be right to the north of Playa del Coco. So it's very close to Liberia International Airport. So where are we right now? Well, if we head up this road here, it will take us essentially to Playa Panama. And here we have the Occidental Papagayo. This is a adults only resort. I have not been there. But if you're on the map and you see this resort or you're staying here, this will kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. We're here in the beginning of March 2022. So it's the dry season. As you can see, this is the dry season in Costa Rica here. Very, very dry. I don't know if it's rained in months. It's pretty cool though. There's forest fires that'll go on and all this stuff will catch on fire and it renews itself, if you will. So if this is your first time joining, be sure to subscribe here. Leave us a comment or request questions you have about your upcoming trip to Costa Rica. We'll be sure to answer it. Leave us a request for any destinations you want us to visit and check out so you know what it looks like before you're getting into it. And coming soon, crypto vacations. We'll be offering vacation packages paid on the blockchain. So that's exciting. That's exciting. Leave a comment if you're interested in that. Big into crypto. So here we're looking, this is Papagayo. So this is the peninsula. Right here you can see out. Let's take a look here. And this beach here is accessible via this path that's actually really done nice. You know, a lot of times here in Costa Rica you have to walk essentially through some jungle like terrain. You know, you may have seen those in our previous videos. Getting to some of the beaches here in Costa Rica can be pretty onerous, but this one is very, very well maintained, and it's probably because it's in close proximity to this adults only resort. Now they have their own entrance to the beach, so keep that in mind if you're staying at this beach. They also have security guards down there. You'll see them probably in this video, and chairs and all that kind of stuff. But then the whole beach is public. You can just walk down there. But if you're staying on the beach, you'll have access to, I'm sure, some more amenities if you're coming from this resort. And it's not too far of a walk. We walk down here with our cooler and a bunch of food and all our swimming equipment. So it's not too bad. I mean, you could probably get away with a stroller, carrying your stuff, maybe one of those carts. I see a lot of people use those little wagons. So if you have one of those, this is a good beach to come to because it'll definitely get you all the way to the sand. So Playa Buena is about, I want to say, a 3-minute drive away from Playa Hermosa. And it's just before you enter Playa Panama. So although a lot of these beaches are in the same area, they come up differently, right? Like some will have bigger waves, some will be more calm, some will be deeper, some will have longer walkouts where you can just relax. It's all a big difference. Now when we get down to this beach here, it's very windy today. It's like extremely windy. I don't know. There's not been many times that I've seen it this windy down by the water. So you can see over here, not to be weird, but that's where the adults only resort is. And there was some people giving massages over here. So, you know, if you're coming down and you're gonna want a massage, bring some cash if they're there after, or when you come. So when we got here, the tide was very low, but the tide's coming up now. As you can see, it's creeping up towards the shore here. So you can see all these beach chairs, these chairs here. Fairly certain those are attached to the resort. Well, let's go check out the sand here. You may see the jet skis there. I talked to the guys who run the jet skis. They're charging about $50 US for 30 minutes. So jet skiing in here is, you know, really cool. You get to go and burn around the Gulf here. And I'm sure that price is somewhat negotiable. All right, and here we go. So now you can see here over, and there's this rock formation. When we got here, you could walk all the way out, but now that the tide's coming up, it's covering a bit of it there, so you can walk across with the water. And from some of our friends, apparently, like, you know, when it's high tide, all those rocks will be covered by water. That's how much the tide affects the height of the water here. So it's cool. And then you can see off here, it's bluer. The water's bluer over on this side. So I feel like over here, a lot more silt and dirt gets stuck kind of in this area, and it's not circulating. But over there, it looks bluer. So you can see people walking out there, hanging out, kids running around, going crazy. This beach has tons of seashells. So the kids have been loving looking for seashells on the seashore. They love it. Let's go check out the water, see what it looks like from there. All right, so once again, you can see off in the distance all the mountains. Those are, I believe those are the volcanoes that will lie behind Liberia there. The Four Seasons is over that way, so there's a golf course up there. And then this is what it looks like. We're gonna look into the sun here, the beach. It's all white sand, you know, very calm. All right, cool. So there you have it, Playa Buena here in Costa Rica. Everybody's chilling, having a good time, relaxing, getting some sun, getting some vitamin D, staying healthy in paradise. Remember to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a request, leave your thoughts, whatever. Just leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye now.